Welcome to the bustling cityscape as the night falls. As the city quiets down, each friend with a different job gets ready to rest, creating a unique story as the night unfolds. Join us on this delightful journey as we bid goodnight to 12 special working friends, adding a touch of magic to the city's nighttime melody. Greetings, postman. Delivered letters and packages all day. Now finding a peaceful spot to rest. Wave to the postman. Good night, postman. Hello, office worker. Spent the day in the bustling city office. Now finding a quiet moment to wind down. Say goodnight to the office worker. Good night, office worker. Hello, chef. Cooked up delicious meals for city folks. Now finding a cozy place to rest. Pretend to stir a pot like the chef. Good night, chef. Hello, street musician. Played melodies that floated through the city air. Now finding a tranquil spot for a harmonious rest. Pretend to play a musical instrument like the street musician. Good night, street musician. Hello, firefighter. Kept the city safe and sound all day, now finding a quiet place to retire. Pretend to hold a hose like the firefighter. Good night, firefighter. In the heart of the city, meet Librarian. Shared stories and smiles in the city library. Now finding a cozy corner to rest. Pretend to read a book like the librarian. Good night, librarian. Now, say hello to mechanic. Fixed cars and kept the city moving. Now finding a peaceful corner to unwind. Pretend to fix an imaginary car like the mechanic. Good night, mechanic. Hello, teacher. Shaped young minds in the city school. Now finding a quiet moment for reflection. Pretend to write on an imaginary chalkboard like the teacher. Good night, teacher. Hello, scientist. Spent the day in the city laboratory. Now finding a moment to rest after exciting experiments. Pretend to conduct an imaginary experiment like the scientist. Good night, scientist. Hello, artist. Painted colorful masterpieces that brightened up the city streets. Now finding a serene spot to rest. Pretend to paint a masterpiece like the artist. Good night, artist. Hello, Doctor. Cared for the health and well-being of the city's residents. Now finding a quiet moment to relax. Pretend to check an imaginary patient like the doctor. Good night, Doctor. Hello, music producer. Created tunes that echoed through the city's studios. Now finding a melodic corner to rest. Pretend to play a musical instrument, like the music producer. Good night, music producer. As the city settles into a peaceful night, all 12 friends find their places, embraced by the tranquility of the urban night. Now, it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about the vibrant adventures you've had in the Goodnight City. Good night, little one. Good night, city dreams.